I am Dr. Aimy.
Today I will be discussing the importance of good healthy sleep. Number one priority in Corona days is health. And three things that you particularly need to focus on are healthy diet, exercise, and sleep. Yes, sleep. I cannot emphasize enough the importance. Good quality sleep will help to boost and enhance your immunity. So it will not only prevent you from catching the virus quickly, but also help to fight against the virus in case you catch it. It's okay to rest. It's okay to oversleep. Sleep for 7, 8, even 9 or 10 hours. Let your body heal. Let your body repair itself. Treat your body a good night's sleep. Sleep is a non-negotiable biological necessity, and in the times of crisis, its importance is even more accentuated. Please avoid listening or reading news and finding news stories on social media at night before going to bed, as this might be a major factor in disturbing your sleep these days. So please relax, sleep well, and tell the same to your loved ones. Stay safe and stay healthy.